Alright guys, we are at the car wash. It is time to have some fun. And then the final step here is I always clean with these wipes, Clorox wipes. I also have individual like upholstery cleaner for the car, but I don't typically use that as much as I use just these wipes. They seem to do the trick. These cars, you know, when you're traveling or you're living out of them, can get so dirty so quick. But I'll tell you the reason why I did this. Also today, kind of a sporadic funny story. I was using the hot plate for the first time today, and I was cooking eggs, and the hot plate, actually the Guy Fieri pan actually tipped over and I dropped an egg. So I cleaned up the egg and got her all fixed up, and I got real paranoid thinking that it was going to have some type of an aroma. So I put a new scent out, and I've been cleaning the hell out of the vehicle ever since. So, but anyways, hope you guys are having a great Thursday, and glad you guys enjoyed my video yesterday. I loved going to the zombie dogs. I'll have to go there again. But looking forward to some hot plate videos and some good content down the road, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.